Hello everyone, I'm Thao. Today I'm going to introduce myself. Let's get started. Okay, today I will go through three main points. The first is my past, my childhood, my school, my family. The second is my present, things I need to do or focus on, and my favorite. The last thing is my future. So my goal, my plan, and my dreams. Okay, so about my past, I grew up in Vietnam and came to the US when I was 20. So I went to electrical college in my hometown, and when I studied for 1 year and a half, I had to stop my studies to go to America to live with my family. Now I live with my parents and three siblings. About my present, I live in San Jose and go into Evergreen College and San Jose City College. Also, this is my last semester to study here, and my major is electrical engineering. So, sometimes I like to go out with my friend and go milk tea with my sister when I have time. My favorite thing is reading books and watching movies, especially a Marvel. I'm big fan of that. Now my family just bought a new house, and so I just starting saving my money. And then about my present, like I said, this is my last semester, so I will transfer to San Jose State University next year and get a bachelor degree to get higher salary. My plan is I want to travel around the world to know more about their culture, their social life, and get more knowledge. My dream is open the small business like boba tea with my sister, and I want to get a husky in my future. And then now this is the end. The first I introduce myself. The second I talk about my childhood, my school, and my family. The third I talk about my present, what I need to do, my favorite, and the last is my future, my goal, my plan, and my dream. Alright, thank you everyone for watching and listening.